So you can see the headlight down there. That's an 058 with a high and wide load. They have to wait in the clear until after this manifest freight clears that junction up there before it can go. One way to enhance your operations is to incorporate some real-world rules and regulations off the railroads into your model railroad. Normally an 058 or a high and wide load on Norfolk Southern has special rules and restrictions that it has to abide by going out of main line. Certain places it can pass other trains, and certain places it has to be on main 1 or main 2 due to restrictions and such. So as the caboose clears the junction, you'll hear the 058 start to move. Now when I worked for NS, we had to blow for bridges and tunnels just like grade crossings. Unlike what I just did, normally that would happen before you got onto the bridge or into the tunnel. But yeah, we're having fun on YouTube running trains. Another rule you can implement is not to block the main street of a town. For example, this train is stopped for a signal at the interlocking. So if it had pulled up to the signal, it would block Main Street. Most towns really they're not very happy about having their main drag in their town blocked by a train. So the rule is, if you got a stop signal at the interlocker, then you have to stop your train and not block Main Street.